Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Eureka NEU 182B PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a model designed to give your entire home a solid clean with minimal hassle. At just 10 pounds, it promises powerful performance without the back strain. Let's break down exactly how it stacks up. The Eureka PowerSpeed is a bagless upright vacuum, making it a convenient choice for users who don't want to deal with the mess of bags. It features a dynamic motor and brush roll, which are designed to lift even the most stubborn dirt and debris, from pet hair to heavy dust. The motor's suction power is backed by a 12.6-inch wide nozzle, allowing it to cover more ground with each pass, making cleaning quicker and more efficient. One of the standout features is the lightweight design. At only 10 pounds, this vacuum is easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces or while navigating around furniture. Despite its lighter weight, it doesn't sacrifice on cleaning power. It's engineered to tackle multiple surface types, whether it's shag carpet, hard floors, or a soft rug. The PowerSpeed has you covered. The 5 height adjustments ensure that no surface is out of reach, delivering a customized clean that's especially useful for varying pile heights or delicate flooring. An extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup is one of the most practical elements of this vacuum. With a larger capacity, you won't need to empty it as frequently, a definite bonus for those with large homes or those who just want to spend less time dealing with the vacuum itself and more time on the cleaning. The cup is easy to remove and empty, which further adds to the convenience. If you're someone who finds themselves constantly stopping to empty a dust cup, this will be a welcome change. In terms of attachments, the Eureka PowerSpeed is well equipped. It includes a quick-release handle that connects to the stretch hose, which is perfect for above-floor cleaning, such as ceiling fans or drapery. It also comes with a 7-inch-long crevice tool, a dusting brush, and upholstery tool. These attachments make it easy to clean in tight corners, between couch cushions, or along baseboards. It's clear that this vacuum is designed to tackle both large surfaces and small, hard-to-reach areas with ease. Let's talk performance. In practice, the Eureka PowerSpeed does exactly what it's supposed to. On hard floors, it picks up dust, dirt, and small debris effortlessly, and on carpets, it works just as effectively. The suction is strong enough to lift embedded dirt, and while it's not quite as powerful as some higher-end models, it does a great job for the price range. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to handle pet hair, as the brush roll effectively picks up hair without getting tangled too often, though it might need a quick clean if you're dealing with very long or dense pet hair. In real-world scenarios, the maneuverability of the Eureka PowerSpeed is impressive. It glides smoothly across hardwood floors without leaving scratches or marks, thanks to its smooth rolling wheels. This makes it a solid choice for homes with a mix of carpet and hardwood. However, the vacuum does make some noise during operation, so if you're looking for a super quiet option, this may not be the best choice. It's not overwhelmingly loud, but it's not the quietest in its category either. In terms of value for money, the Eureka PowerSpeed is definitely a solid choice. It offers powerful suction, multiple attachments, and a user-friendly design, all while coming in at a very competitive price point. Compared to other models in the same price range, it holds its own in terms of performance, especially when it comes to cleaning multiple surfaces. However, when compared to premium models, the Eureka PowerSpeed might fall a little short in terms of specialized features, such as advanced filtration or extended battery life, if you're comparing it to cordless options. If you're considering other models in the same range, a few alternatives come to mind. The Hoover Wind Tunnel 2 high-capacity bagless upright offers a similar suction power and comes with a bit more focus on multi-floor cleaning. On the other hand, if you're looking for something a little more maneuverable and compact, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind offers impressive swivel steering, making it easier to navigate around furniture. However, both alternatives come at a slightly higher price point. When it comes to build quality, the Eureka PowerSpeed holds up pretty well for its price. The plastic isn't the highest-end material, but it feels solid enough for everyday use. The dust cup, hose, and attachments are all durable, and while the vacuum feels light, it doesn't feel flimsy. Maintenance is straightforward. Cleaning the brush roll is simple, and the dust cup is easy to empty. The filters are washable, which helps keep long-term maintenance costs low. In terms of longevity, the Eureka PowerSpeed's design suggests it will hold up well over time, especially for those with moderate cleaning needs. For heavier use, like larger homes with lots of carpet or pets, you may notice the suction performance starting to drop a little over time, but that's typical of most vacuums in this range. If you're a consumer who values customer service, Eureka generally gets positive feedback for their after-sales support, though it's always a good idea to check for the specific model warranty terms in your area. To wrap things up, the Eureka NEU 182B PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a solid performer at an affordable price. It's best suited for people with a mix of floor types, those who need a vacuum that's easy to use and maintain, and families looking for something that can handle pet hair without breaking the bank. If you're after a lightweight, versatile vacuum that can clean multiple surfaces without costing a fortune, this model should definitely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product breakdowns. And feel free to drop any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear how you've been using your vacuum. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, no one wants a messy home. But with the right vacuum, you can make quick work of it. See you next time!